Chalo, the table is all set. Everyone is coming. Oh no. Sheetal is coming with her entire family. And Mansi too. Thankfully, no sweat because Guru Kripa by Inspira Realty has got my back. Here I have a super spacious and luxurious 2.5 BHK of an apartment which is at 888 square feet of a carpet area where I have 2 master bedrooms, 1 kids bedroom, 3 full-sized washrooms and even a storeroom in Chembur. Let's take a closer look at what your apartments could look like. It's like stepping into a whole new different world. Imagine family nights with ample of space in the living room. Your bedroom will be a private sanctuary, perfect for you to unwind after a long day at work. And check out this dedicated wardrobe niche, all neatly tucked away, a touch of luxury added to your everyday lifestyle. The convenience of having this beautiful attached bathroom makes getting ready a breeze. Now, just besides this bedroom is this versatile study room that can be seamlessly converted into a charming kids' room as well. The kitchen, the heart of your home, where you'll have conversations as you fill your plate. It also comes with a well-equipped L-shaped platform and a sink. Now, most 2.5 BHK apartments usually come with 2 washrooms. But at Guru Kripa, you get 3 full-size washrooms and even a dedicated storage area to keep your space clutter-free. This is what we call a true luxury living. This right here is your other bedroom that also comes with an attached washroom. For your added comfort and convenience, the project features a well-designed system of 3 passenger lifts and 1 dedicated fire lift. Now let's explore the other features of this project. I feel like I have walked into a 5-star hotel lobby. This luxurious double-heighted lobby with a 2-way entrance is a rare feature in this area with centralized ACs to ensure that your guests are impressed the minute they walk in through here. Guru Kripa offers podium parking with a dedicated ramp for smooth and hassle-free arrival. Importantly, here you will get covered surface parking with no inconvenience of stacked puzzle or mechanical parking. Want to impress your guests even more? Guru Kripa offers 20+ lifestyle amenities that are spread across the ground level and the rooftop that caters to all age groups. Garden area, cricket turf, an open-air sky bar cafe, barbecue corner, jogging tracks. There's something for everyone. But wait, there's more. The 4th floor is a whole different vibe. It features an indoor games arena, a dedicated workstation, and even an air-conditioned gym. Kids, parents, grandparents, everyone will have a great time here. Oh, now Mansi and her family want to stay over too. No worry because Guru Kripa has got us covered with 2 fully furnished guest rooms that ensures my guests feel comfortable no matter what the occasion. Look at this stunning 3D model. Guru Kripa boasts a total of 19 stories which includes 3-level podium parking and amenities on the 4th level. This translates to a spacious, airy and healthy living environment. There are 6 flats per floor offering a variety of configurations, spacious 1, 2 and 2.5 BHK options to suit your needs. And get this, the entire project is built on a massive plot of approximately 1 acre of a land parcel, making it the biggest land parcel in this vicinity. With construction in full swing, all this and more awaits for you at Guru Kripa by Inspira Realty in Sindhi Society, Chembur, one of the most sought-after localities in Mumbai. Hello? Oh, Neha, you're coming over too? Wonderful, come over and bring the kids as well.